Hello! So it's time for another weekly adventure in Scotland. We got a membership for Scottish Heritage, so we could see castles and all sorts of historic things around the country. And so today we are taking Forth boat tours out to see their Three Bridges tour, and we are going to stop at Inchcolm Island to check out Inchcolm Abbey, which is old ruins of an abbey on the island. So yeah, it's about an hour and a half boat tour, and they drop us off on the island for 2 hours. We're pretty soon.
Yeah, quite the queue up for the boat tour today.
Inchcolm Island, and we are at the top of the bell tower of the Abbey, which a little freaky getting up here. It was the narrowest spiral staircase I have ever climbed in my entire life. The Abbey was built by David I in the 12th century as a promise to his brother, who was Alexander I, who shipwrecked here and was taken in by a hermit. He promised to build an abbey, but then he died before he got it done, and so his brother built it. And yeah, it's pretty cool. We can still walk through all the rooms, and it's amazing it's still standing considering it was built in the 12th century. So we're going to explore a little more. So we've walked around the island a little bit. This island was actually used in World War I and World War II to protect the Firth of Forth and the amazing railway bridge, which is over yonder, and obviously the city of Edinburgh, because it was the capital, or it is the capital of Scotland. Yeah, so there were actually, at one point in time during World War II, there were 500 men stationed here, and there were barracks all over the island, but they have since been demolished. So we finished walking around Inchcolm Abbey. It was in service for over 400 years, and really they just shut it down during the Protestant Reformation around 1560. And another interesting fact we learned is that one of the abbots, who is in charge of the abbey, in the mid-15th century, he wrote a history of Scotland dating back from about 1000 to the mid-1400s, and it's called the Scotland. So yeah, we're going to hop back on our cruise and sail back to Dalmeny. Our boat tour, and we're docking, and where we filmed earlier is now underwater because it's high tide. So we're back from our boat tour. Again, we took the Forth boat tours, and we did their Three Bridges tour. So we learned really interesting facts about those, and now we were just walking around Queensferry, which is a cute little seaport town, or on the Firth of Forth as they call it. And yeah, we're gonna go grab some lunch and probably head back into Glasgow. But definitely a successful day. Easy to do as a day trip from Glasgow, and you get some history, really cool engineering information about bridges, if that's your thing. And I think we're gonna go have lunch at a brewery. So, burger and a beer, perhaps. Todd, are you excited for our burger and our beer?
Very excited, yes.
We're not eating meat during the week, so this is a big
Treat.
treat. Treat. All right, we'll let you know how it is.